beauties, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning sales strategy, how to attract people to your brand, how to get more customers. If this is what you would like to learn, keep on watching, like my videos, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos I'm going to be posting in future. So without so much talking, let's get to the honey of this video.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. How to attract a lot of people to your fashion brand. All right, so now the first step is the target audience. You need to understand your target audience, who you really want to sell your brand to. Is it the middle age? Is it the older people? Is it the people that are aged? Is it the younger ones? Is it children's wear? You need to understand your target. You cannot just be everywhere. You have to taper your your interest and let people know you for that. Do you want to start doing children's clothes? If you want to start working on children's clothes, then start it. As a fashion brand, attracting the right customer is crucial to the success of your business. You need to develop a loyal customer base. Like, you need to get them to like you. The first step in attracting the right customer is to define your target audience. Ask yourself questions like, who is my ideal customer? What are their interests, their values, and lifestyle? What are their demographics, such as age, gender, and income? Their income is very, very important. You don't want people that cannot afford your brand, all right, your goods and services. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can then tailor your brand to message your brand message to them. They'll be the ones to understand your brand quickly, and then you can then move to the next stage. All right, so the first thing to first tackle is your target audience. I hope you understand that. Next on my list is to develop a strong brand message. Your brand message is the foundation of your fashion brand. It should be clear, exact, and make sure it is what your target audience needs. Let them understand what you are known for. Let them know you for something. Your brand message should communicate the values and aesthetics of your fashion brand. All right, it should differentiate your brand from your competitors. Obviously, you are going to have competitors, a strong competition when you are going into business, and that is why you have to create a unique identity for yourself. So let your brand message be clear and exact. All right, get people talking about your brand. The purpose of your brand, the clarity, the values. Get people talking. Let people be in the know about what your brand is really all about. Is it about modesty? Is it about craziness? Is it about children's wear, creativity in the children wear world? Take a look at Vicky James. We know her for corsetry, snatching the waist, and that is the message she passes. That is the message about our brand. So sit down, get to know what message you want to pass across to your target audience, and make sure it is exactly what the kind of people that you want to patronize you want. All right, I hope you understand that. So let's move to the next one. Next is to create a visually appealing brand identity. This includes your brand name. Most of all, your brand name is important. Take a look at McDonald's. I watched a documentary about how they came across the brand name and the ones they've been using before, and the way the McDonald's changed the business, the life of that business forever. So your brand name is very important. You need to create a brand name that practically stands out. Take a look at Louis Vuitton brand, the Vicky James brand, etc. They all stand out. It is different from Mama Emeka tailor shop. All right, so you have to create a brand name that is classy, that is unique, that is not common. Then creating a brand identity also deals with your logo. You need to also create a very classy logo, something special, something different, something that is unique about you. Then it also deals with your brand identity, also deals with colors surrounding your logo, colors surrounding your workshop, the place that you take your pictures. Get people familiar with the colors of your brand. Let them know that once they see purple, oh, it's so brand. When they see white, it's so brand. And do not make the mistake of using too many colors, but use a color that stands out. Everything must be visually appealing. Your logo, the name, everything has to be on point, across point, from your website to the social media handles you're about to use to your product packaging. Everything has to be classy and on point. Get people talking about your brand. Your brand identity should align with your message. Don't forget about that. Your target audience aligns with everything, so it has to align with your target audience, the message you are trying to preach, what you are selling, and it has to appeal to your target audience. I hope we get that also. So moving to the number 4, leverage influencer marketing. Influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for attracting the right customer to your fashion brand. Don't have this notion that you can do everything on your own. You cannot actually do everything on your own. You need influencers, so you need to identify influencers who align with your brand message and aesthetics and have a similar target audience. Collaborate with them to create a content to showcase your brand, your products. This can help you reach a wider audience because influencers are professionals and they know the right ways to market your products for you. So don't always be I want to do it all by myself. I can do everything by myself. Don't be that kind of person. Make use of these online influencers. They help your business they promote your business to a wider audience, and it will also help. Number 5, use social media to your advantage. Particular point, as in this point cannot be overemphasized. The world is full of technology now, and most people are always on their phones, internet. Social media is a great platform to showcase your fashion brand and connect with your target audience. So you need to be everywhere. Use every space of the social media you can access. Market your brand, create content that aligns with your interests and values. Use hashtags to make your tags more, your products more visible. Hashtag, you already know who your target audience is. Now tag them in your post. When you post them, tag celebrities, tag these people, tag the people that you believe will be interested in your brand. I hope you were able to understand and get all these five points that can help you to sell your goods online. So now that will be all for today. Till I see you in my next class. I love you and I care. Bye.